Hi, so in this video we are going to discuss some points regarding linear regression, and these are basically points from one of my assessments. First thing that we have is correlation value lies between -1 to 1. Second thing is what is the effect of adding variables to your R square and adjusted R square values. The first thing we will understand is what do we mean when we are talking about adding variables. Now suppose we have built a simple linear regression model where we have one independent variable and one dependent variable, okay, x and y we are having, and we have built a model. Then we calculated the R square values and adjusted R square values. Adjusted R square values is basically a value which is computed from R square. All right, so we have built a model. Now we are saying if we add another feature x naught in this particular model, then what will be the effect of adding this feature to the R square value. And the thing is, whenever we are adding features, the R square value always increase. And what about the adjusted R square value? It may be increasing or it may be decreasing. Okay, it just depends on what is the effect of adding this new variable on your model. So if the new variable that you are adding is improving the model, then it will increase. And if your this new added variable is not having any significant change in the performance of the model, then it will decrease. All right, in the another point is there are how many coefficients in a simple linear regression model. So if you remember the equation, we have b naught plus b1 x1, right? So there are two coefficients, very simple. Another thing is that in a simple linear regression model, if we change the input variable by 1 unit, then what will be its effect on the result? All right, so we will take this particular linear regression model, this linear equation. Then what we are doing is we are adding 1 to this input variable. So the new target variable will be equal to b naught plus b1 and bracket me x1 plus 1. All right, we are just increasing this by 1 unit. All right, so if we do simple mathematics, we have b1 x1 plus b1, and this is very clearly equal to the old value. Okay, this is old value. Then we have new is equals to old plus b1, and that was the question, and that was the answer, that if we in a simple linear regression model, if the input variable is changed by 1 unit, the result will be changed by its slope, and b1 is the slope. Okay, so this was very mathematical thing. Another thing that we have is this R square, adjusted R square, F statistics, RMSE, MSE, ME. All these things are just ways to evaluate the linear regression model. They are nothing else. Okay, Ridge and Lasso. These both techniques use a subset of selection features. All right, and then we have for sales forecasting, we use regression, because in sales we are definitely using numbers. And the last and very important point and very good point is that even if your model is perfect on the training data, even if your model is showing 100% accuracy, we just cannot say that our model is not going to have any error.